Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious party jollof rice. Keep watching to see how I made it. So I started by heating my pot and then I added some oil. This oil is for frying my chicken. I wanted the chicken to be a bit crunchy, so I fried it for about 4 minutes. I made use of the same oil I used in frying my chicken to fry my stew base. So I added my onions and then I sauteed for like 2 minutes before adding my tomato paste. I fried the tomato paste for about 4 minutes. And then after 4 minutes, I added my blended tomatoes and my bell peppers, Scotch bonnet pepper and Shumbo. I also made use of Tatashi. I fried for like 3 minutes and then after 3 minutes, I added my ginger and garlic. I gave that a quick fry before adding my curry powder. After the curry powder, I added my thyme. I gave that a quick fry. After that, I went in with some chicken seasoning. I gave that a quick fry also. And then I added my Knorr cube. At this point, I added some salt. And then I went in with the meat stock. This is my chicken stock. I stirred everything together. At this point, I went in with some water. After adding the water, I covered the pot. I stirred and covered the pot and allowed it to cook for like 5 minutes. Exactly after 5 minutes, I went in with my washed Basmati rice. I washed this rice with hot water. I did not parboil it. I stirred all of that to combine together for all the sauce and the mende to come together. And then I went in with some water. Give it a gentle mix. After that, I covered with my foil. There's one thing about this foil, it helps the rice to steam properly, to steam calmly on a low heat. This was exactly after 5 minutes and the rice was 90% ready. I just gave it a gentle mix. I covered it again and allowed it to simmer for like 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, it was ready. This is so delicious and perfect. Very, very delicious. And then I served with the chicken. Everybody enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel and also share the video to your friends. Bye.